What's up, guys? This is BSide Investing. Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I did any video. It's only been like 3-4 days, I think. I did the the Bitform? I think it was the Hive video. Yeah. So, okay. So today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of cover our portfolio in terms of WealthSimple and Questrade account. And WealthSimple, we're doing good. Questrade, not so hot. I mean, yeah, it is what it is. And we'll get into Digihost, latest news of their monthly production numbers and the Bitcoin mining numbers. So yeah, currently Bitcoin is sitting at 38.5. Really, really good. I'm not expecting it to go down as, but like not anything lower than 35 at the moment. What I'm expecting is for it to consolidate. I know we did jump to 40, so now we should be around 35 and 40K for a minute, maybe a week or two, maybe more. But, the credit space is kind of volatile, so I mean, don't expect anything crazy, like it to just stay here. But like I said, September, I think, is when we'll hopefully see it go up, start moving up slowly. But until then, I'm not really gonna keep an eye on, I'm not gonna be watching it on a daily basis. So Bitfarm today was really good. Yesterday was a holiday, so for Canada, so the market was closed, so that's why I didn't do a video. It didn't make sense because the numbers wouldn't be accurate. So today, at least now, we got the updated numbers. So Bitfarm, NDA Stem, they're all doing really good. Digihost, we did see a fall off for Gold occur. I know it's below $3 now. So Mara's down. I think Argo's also down. So yeah, not the greatest, but we'll take it. I'm still up, so position wise I'm fine. Okay, so let's get into our account here with WealthSimple. Okay. So if you look at the portfolio, we're back to $5,500. I remember saying we'll go up past 6K. I think it was right here. Was it right here? Or I think it was maybe more than a month ago. Let's see. Yeah, it was around here, beginning of July. So about a month ago. And it just kept going down and down and down, and we went all the way down below $4,000. And oh no, actually, around 4,000. Below 4,000 is our investment. So, but yeah, so we've come back up, and we're back to $5,500. So, investment today wise, we're up 2%, $100, not much. Bitfarms is doing good. Like I said, numbers have to adjust, and maybe tomorrow we'll see kind of like the adjusted numbers. Let's see. Cineplex was down since I started talking about it. It was at $15. Now it's at $12. So I think I might wait for it to go below 12, and then I'll maybe add some positions. But then again, it's like, which one do I want to sell to buy into Cineplex? So that's another thing. So I'm not sure what I want to do there, but I do want to add position into Cineplex, and I would love to buy more Bitfarms and Hut and Digihost. So, and yeah. So you can see we haven't done any trading here in a while. You can check all the numbers here with the percentage, and I'll show you the activity. It has been more than a month since we made any trades here. So, like I said, we're doing really good. I mean, solid. If you think about the average index, the average return for the S&P 500 and all that, and how much people expect to make over a year investing, it's about 10 to 15% on average. And yeah, it's not going to be something crazy. It's not going to be crazy compared to investing in crypto starting January because they went like crazy, berserk, Jesus. But yeah, it's not gonna be crazy numbers, but it is good enough for me. Like I said, average. I wanna hit a goal of 40% on a year-to-year basis, minimum. So right now we're doing solid. And we still haven't hit the highs of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still under 40K right now. So imagine how high this thing could run. Because I'm really well positioned here. I have a lot of crypto mining and just financial service related to crypto stocks. So thanks to D5, Digihost, DMG, Hive, Hut, and Neptune Digital. So, and these are not the only ones that I have. So you have to realize, like, it has potential. This, by the end of the year, I'm expecting this number to be maybe twice, 3 times, 4 times this number. So we'll see, that's just wishful thinking right now until it happens. But yeah. Look at the Questrade account. So you see Argo, ASTR, and Dark Pulse. So Dark Pulse, I think buying timing. I don't want to say timing because, obviously you can't really time the market. But yeah, so right now I think it would be a really good time to average, dollar cost average Dark Pulse for me. And Astra as well, because the price is at 841. It has gone down a bit more. Like I said before, I didn't intend to buy 40 shares. I was intending to buy 20 shares at a value of around 250. But yeah, whatever. We're down $80. I think this is USD. So yeah, okay. Argo, we're up $57. That's fine. Yeah, you can see what our average price buy-in was and the current price. So definitely room for improvement. So yeah. Okay, getting into the Hive, the Digihost news. They announced a 34% increase in month-over-month Bitcoin production and provide mining operation results for July. So the month-over-month from June to July, end of month for both. So it looks like 38 Bitcoin mined for June and 51 for July, and difference of 13. And you can see the approximate value, which totals to about almost $800,000 in difference. So year over year for July, looks like 38 Bitcoin difference. Holy cow. See, it has come a long way just from a year ago. So even just the Bitcoin value the difference is $30,000 right here. So, and the total value is almost $2 million. So, wow, this company is really growing so fast. Obviously, it helps that Bitcoin price is also going up at a really good rate. So, okay, so total produced for July is 51 Bitcoin. And total holdings hodling is 402 Bitcoin per total. Right now, I don't think their hash rate has increased at all. If we go into Digihost right here, okay, so they're still at 200 hash rate, petahash. So they haven't really increased at all. So it's not yet. They are getting the deliveries soon. So. And they also have ETH. Okay, right. So the Bitcoin value was $16.7 million as of July 31st. And they have 563 ETH, about $1.4 million. And total crypto worth of $18 million. They have cash of about $18.8 million. And digital assets, so including any other coins that they may have, about $37 million. So that's a lot. Excuse me. Year-to-year investment in infrastructure and core business operation of approximately $23 million. So, right. This will help us in the long run. So right now, we want to build up all the facilities that we can to kind of house the 3.6 exahash that they have planned for next year, end of Q2. So that would be like June, pretty much. So yeah, you can see the numbers. So up till July 31st this year, they have mined 266 Bitcoin which is a lot compared to like last year. So with the growth of hash rate, obviously the number of BTC mined will also increase. So that's what's happening, and that's very good. Okay, moving on. In Q1 they mined 105, and in Q2 they mined 109. Now in Q3 July, the numbers have gone up because obviously the network issue that's going on. I think about a week ago when I checked it, it was about 100 exahash. Obviously it went way lower than that, but now it has jumped up 11 exahash. So you can see that the miners are kind of coming back, and the structure, it's building up. So the network hash rate is building up more and more. So yeah, so this will continue to increase and slowly. So until it reaches the full about, what was it, 150 exahash, so 40 more exahash. They should be eating up more Bitcoin, so they should be making more Bitcoin until that happens. Okay, so they mined 51 in July, so that's a little less than half of Q2, and there's still 2 months to go. So I would say they have maybe about 2 months to kind of take advantage of the hash rate drop. So month over month, I think we went through that. So kind of reiterating the same thing, and the year over year numbers as well. So let's see. Management commentary. I mean, CEO says we are extremely pleased by the tremendous growth in our mining operations, illustrated by the substantial increase in Bitcoin mined on both month over month and year over year perspective. The fact that these Bitcoins are being mined from an operational hub in which over 90% of the energy consumed is from net zero carbon emission source, and more than 50% of the energy consumed is generated from renewable sources, is a great source of pride for the company as we strive to maintain our focus on being an industry-leading ESG company on achieving the objective of our DigiGreen initiative. We are steadfast in our intent to be an ESG leader in the cryptocurrency mining space, and in continuing being one of the cleanest green Bitcoin mining operations in the United States. Okay. In the United States, okay, so that's a key point there, because they can't really compare to the Canadian miners as of yet, because Bitfarm, Hive, they pretty much take the cake with the best usage of green renewable electricity. I mean, yeah, hydroelectricity, geothermal, so they take the cake with that one, so can't really compete with that. So within the US, I see, I see it happening. So yeah, and there's a lot of nitpicking going on, like people saying like, even if they use solar panels to use like the building material for solar panels and all that, practice of manufacturing those panels could be, not so green. So there's a lot of nitpicking. I mean, you kind of want to just take with the win, like when an industry is trying to do really good in leading green energy, a big topic for global warming and really just for Earth and the climate in general, shouldn't really be doing that. Like, I mean, we should strive to have an industry-wide, not just Bitcoin, but or crypto, but every industry should have a standard for green energy usage. And then we can, nitpick once everyone is up to that par, and then see which one's lagging behind, and then make it more efficient. So before that, until that happens, I mean, you can't really just pinpoint that, like, Bitcoin miners are doing this and that and that. Like, I mean, I get it. That's the only point you have against Bitcoin. So, I mean, attack, I guess, but stupid. It's a stupid argument. So, whatever. So yeah. So the company's current hash rate is about 200 petahash, and the total hash rate goal as of yet for 3.6 exahash by end of Q2 2022. So not sure how if they're gonna make it happen. They only have about 18 million in cash at the moment. They do have another private placement that they could use. I think there's about $70+ million left USD. So we could see another price drop there, another 15-20% drop maybe. That might not happen for, I want to say, maybe 2 months, but don't quote me on it, because I didn't think they were going to do the last one that quick. So I thought they were going to wait till at least $3 or something, or maybe above. About $3. So yeah, Digihost, I mean, really good company. The focus is right. The growth strategy is there. The numbers, the management, everything seems to be in order now. It's a patience game now. I just gotta wait and let this just, ride its course. That's it. As an investor, I mean, after you've done all your research and all, checking other companies and comparing them, there's not much you can do other than just, pick the right one and just wait and see which one really grows. And so I think Digihost, for me, it's really undervalued right now. I'm not going to say that it's really, really undervalued, because, compared to what Bitfarm is valued at, I mean, it's bonkers. So, right. I think that's it for this one. I mean, I have to go to the gym. I'll edit this later and maybe drop this video on Wednesday morning. So yeah, as of now, which is about 7, so it's about 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Let's see, aftermarket, let's see. Yeah, no huge movement. BNGO's up, but that is also up, so yeah. I think that's it for this one. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.